Thank you very much for coming to this parent sharing session. My name is Leah, and this sharing session usually we will conduct like on-off, maybe 2-3 months one time, so that parents can sit down together and then chit chat a little bit. Of course, if we have parents who attend some special talks, workshop, then we can actually have the sharing from the parents who have learned. So I tap on this session today because Imran and Jules has attended marriage and convention, which no. So all of us didn't attend. Okay. He attend for soon to wed. He want to marry the second time. That's why he attending to better to my son. Yeah. So very honored, to have Mr. Imran and Jules to come and share with us what they have learned. Okay. Mr. Imran is I forgot your portfolio. Is it okay you do your own?
I will do. He is a HSE, meaning health. Environmental safety, environmental specialist in GIS. GIS is part of A-STAR. He's the father of 4. Eldest is 18 and youngest is 8. Yeah, and he. Well, you want me to? Okay, that's it. Yeah.
So without much further ado, so myself is Imran and that's my beautiful wife Jules. So as you can see now we have portrait here Jules. Then why JV SS because the opportunity that Jurongville offer to us to attend this talk. As this is the book Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. It's a very interesting book and this is where we are going to share with you. I'll try to make it as lengthy as possible so that I can deliver. And again, if you find it is interesting and you want more from us to share, we'll do that in the future. So basically perception. Now, what do you see from this picture?
Old lady.
Old lady. Any other thing that you see? Young lady. So you can see both a lady, young lady and old lady. The old lady will be directly here, facing towards us. This is the young lady that facing this way. So again, everything is based on perception. And the other thing is this. What do you see? Old man, old woman. Any other thing that you see? So same goes to marriage. Everything is based on perception. What you have in your mind will portray to how you see things. So this is where why modern men and women are unhappy with each other. First thing first, time has changed. Role have changed, attention, or the other way around. And now with the I put it in the blessing, we can check email through our phone. What happens when we check email at home? We neglect our partner. And remember, our partner is the most important person in our life, on top of our children. So, this is where we need to know, women talk emotionally, men are literal. So, women love to express their feelings. And women listen with lots of facial expression, while men just listen without expressions. So, they just that's what they always have the thinking. And women like people and men like things. So when you tell men about this person, that person, they always just like but when you tell them, this car, this soccer ball, this player, Ronaldo, you know Ronaldo, right? Not Ronaldo. Best. What he does? Selling kalipak, no, right? So when we mention Ronaldo, you all know for the guys. For women, Ronaldo, who is he? So different people. So women like more to people. Women like people, whereas men like things associated to what they prefer. Women prefer to talk it out, while men prefer to keep it in. So this is where, indirectly women they always associated with a nagger. Am I right? Is that your son or what? Yep. Danish. And your mother is? Salvia. Now, do you prefer to speak to your mother or to your father? I know your mother is here lah. If you say you like her also okay. You ahem her also, she's okay for the moment. But what I like to highlight to the rest of you here is women they normally associate to nagging. Am I right? And nagging short form is NAG. Can you say N? Can you say N?
N.
Ivy, sorry. Leah, you say A, and Salvia say G. Try to say?
N.
AG.
Say loud, faster.
N.
AG.
N.
AG. G. A.
Samula, okay?
N.
Leah busy lah.
G.
Energy. So you see, woman got a lot of energy. So that is where God have given woman a quota to speak one whole day. 20 plus thousand, whereas for men 6,000. So as long as they never got to release everything, man, you better watch the Danish. In future, you got to download all this information. Okay? And women love details, men really hate them. Okay? I'll show you what I meant. You see, men,
Thank you.
hi. They just see men go toilet very fast. Just imagine, Sorry, boss, I suddenly forget your name.
Kinseng, Kidseng.
Kinseng, When me and Kinseng go toilet, I say hi to him, he will look at me differently. Because men in the toilet, you say hi only, yeah, they say hi. After that, you try to speak further, because dangerous. Men and men, repent. Okay, they cannot speak much into that. But to our lovely partner, women, when they go to toilet, they see everything stand up and down. Putih, Sylvia, Doris. The woman see everything they speak. That's why they love details. The men only just want to know much as much possible. So tips for men: provide emotional climate when she can safely express her feeling. So always remember to give them the time. Okay, do not take everything she say personally. She just need to get it out of the system. Basically, they just want to express out. Okay, when you don't know what to say nothing. That's the most important thing in order for you to save your marriage. For Danish to, you don't have girlfriend yet, right? Akan datang in future, you have girlfriend, you need to know, because the girlfriend will become a woman in future. Okay, so if she got nothing to, you got nothing to say, okay. And do not belittle her feeling by offering a solution too fast. So when they just say, wow, such a dark cloud day, don't say anything for guys. Just say, Okay, that's the most safest thing to do. Yeah, about to rain, then you cannot shoot for nothing. So remember, as for women, always remember, prepare your men to listen to you. Okay, you want to express things, right? You want them to listen, give them the time. That, hey, honey, I want to speak to you. Pre-end them that you want their time. Okay, and remember to pause to invite for response. Don't say, honey, I want to speak to you. Honey. Yeah. So how? So relax, give them the time to digest. Okay, postpone when the time is not right. Oh honey, you busy, later I'll speak to you. That is the most important thing. I'm sharing for the woman. For the men also, you need to know. Okay, persist in giving him support, inviting him to listen. If he refuses to listen, don't force him. Okay, let him be ready. I have example whereby my sister-in-law, okay, Joe's sister, back then, she listened to a talk before, always have eye contact. So she speak to the boyfriend, hey, I'm speaking to you, look at me. The person is driving. So is it the right time to talk or not? The right time to have eye contact? So please understand, we human, we guys don't have 360 eyes. Okay, so understand. Okay, and the most important thing, do not put them or build him up with encouragement. Example, Saja. Hey, why you don't want to become like that one, The man will feel belittled, sayang. So always remember, do not put them down. Don't compare, that will be very dangerous. Because when men start to compare, also dangerous. But that's why most of the time men. Okay, for the woman, remember, don't offer a man advice unless he asks for it. Because why? Men always think they are very strong. They know everything. They got the word, what they call EGG or EGO, something like that, I forget ego. Okay, so remember, men got ego. So always ask first, do you need any advice? If you don't need, it's okay. Sometimes also just let them express up to you. Okay, tell him you have confidence in his ability to work things out. So like example, my beautiful wife here always say, you need anything, you just tell me, okay, I'll be there for you. So this is very, very important. Okay, and remember, men hate criticism. You are never good for anything. Please, once you say that to men, once they go to the cave, you better watch out. They won't friend you, not because they don't like you, because you say something that hurt them. So very important, men hate criticism. Okay, so this is for the woman. For the men, remember, when dealing with an upset woman, don't offer solution or invalidate her feelings, just show her you are listening. Okay, example, one of my colleague approach her. So ask, are you okay? Then suddenly start to pour out everything. Luckily, I went to this seminar, I read this book. So I just listen. Just listen, don't give any advice. Why? Because she just want to be heard, not fixed. So men, when they start to speak something, you don't ever tell them your opinion. Just okay? Okay, this is the beautiful thing. Men, wake up 7 o'clock, 7:10 ready. Agree?
Yes.
This one, don't know whether you want to agree with me or disagree. 7 o'clock wake up, gedebak-gedebuk, 9:30 then leave home. Sayang, I love you. See, very beautiful. So you have to give her time. So remember, ladies, if you need time to prepare for yourself, tell the husband, honey, what time we going out? 12 o'clock. So you prepare 9 o'clock. At least give yourself some time. Don't expect, honey, you want me to go out now? I haven't prepared. So men, remember, give them the time. Later I shall share you more things. This is how a woman pack their things. They start early. They make tons of the list to do. They stage the thing. They plan gedebak. Then they want to go. Men. 5 minutes before departure. Okay, I'm ready. Why? Most of the men only do what they need to bring. Women will think of everything, the anak, the medicine, etc. Okay, so again, depends. Not all men are like that because I indirectly have more to the woman also. Okay, now, do you know the difference between men and women? Other than the thing and your thing, my thing. So there's more. Okay, look in front of the mirror. Men, even though like me, that is the beauty myself. But when she look into the mirror, what did she see?
Yes.
So that's why always believe in yourself that you are beautiful in your own way. Always, honey, do I look fair? Don't ever see that thing. You are beautiful. Correct, sayang? Just now I had the encounter, so I look. I just said, never mind, sayang. I live with what you are. Okay, remember So for men just for you all just for info, I have a science background. Why I have this type of body? Does oil and water, do they mix? No, so I love to drink water. That's why all my fats go out. No, I'm fat because of the science that in me.
You're not fat, only skinny.
No. Because of the water that I drink, all grown up. Okay, clothing. Woman. Wow, you look like a princess. Thank you, honey. And you know what? She never wear that dress again. That's woman. Men. Awesome. You look great, insane. Insane, right? Yeah, it's saying you wear that shirt every time. Why? That's why men they go shopping very rarely because they always got clothes. Women they never have clothes. Why? Correct. That's why even though the wardrobe is full, I don't have anything to wear. Sounds familiar?
Yes.
Akan datang you listen to that Danisha.
Agree lah.
Yeah.
That's a promise.
Yeah, I love my wife, that's why I just go through. Okay, next thing that I want to share with all of you, because we need to know our party, right? Have you done this before? The 5 love languages? Don't know. So, what I'm gonna do, okay, this one is about a mother of all of my kids together with her. Okay, she's a very passionate woman. Let her continue with this bit of sharing, then I'll take back from her again. So, give applause to you.
If you go through the quiz, right, this is the outcome of the that you may find out. So the 5 love languages are the word of affirmation, physical touch, receiving gifts, quality time, and acts of service. Any one of you know about all these things? Who do not know? Who do not know? They do not know.
Have not done that this one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Words of affirmation. Usually, words of affirmation. Okay, if you there's something that I give you, but just like example, word of affirmation like he likes to be dipuji.
Praise.
Being praised. Yeah. Usually, guys, if their love language is being praised, their love tank is full. Okay, physical touch means not that, but it's usually like tapping, you okay dear, that kind of thing. So that's physical touch. Anything like assurance, then you touch a bit. Just like patting or like touch hand, also part of the love language. And then receiving gift, these are people who like being loved when their spouse or partner or mate give them flowers, bags, or as a gift lah, anything lah, gift. Then they will like, oh, you love me so much, that kind of thing lah. So that is receiving gift. Quality time is, as it mentioned, quality time meaning you have to spend time, sit with your mate or partner or whoever, and you just eye to eye with them. Either you spend time by going together to movie or something that, okay? Then acts of service. This one really close because I'm the act of service love language. I feel so loved when he fetch me from my makeup assignment, then he bring me water, the carbonated water, then he said, this is for you, the drink here, then he fetch me, he send me, I feel so loved. That is enough, yeah. So that's what it meant. Some important words, this is to discover, all that is to discover your primary, you have to discover your primary love, 3. So when you do the quiz, you will know which are the top 3. So I suggest that you do this every yearly, I mean once yearly, because every time your priority change due to career, due to your children maybe, or perhaps in the future you have a grandchildren or something like that. So your love language change. Yeah? So love is a choice. Love makes a difference. Yeah. Okay. Just now when I say love is a choice, you want to mention something? Okay. This is the man's most basic needs in marriage. The top one is the left. Then after that, admiration, domestic support, attractive spouse, recreation, companionship. This is the man.
So basically, I just take over from here. Okay. So most important thing for ladies for Danish in future, if you have this as your priority sexual fulfillment, you are a man correct Just emphasize attractive spouse, who don't like to have? Everybody likes to have. Okay. So that is very common. Recreational companionship. So this is just where I like to highlight to the women. Sometimes you see men love to go coffee, love to play soccer. Join them. You know their friends. At least you know what they want. Okay. Domestic support doesn't mean you are the maid, no. So basically they just want you to be there to do something for them that they like. Maybe they just like you to do the cooking. Okay. You just do your part accordingly. If you are a stay-at-home mom, then you have to do pakaliong, everything. Remember you also need to tell them which I'm gonna do next page. They love to be admired. And the best thing, okay, for women, they need affection. So that is where basically they just want to be next to you, listen to you. Okay. Conversation, they just want to express out. Okay. So basically they are involved with the family with so many things. You touch their kids, you better watch out. That's the only thing I can say. They need financial support even though they are working your money is my money is my money No. Very hot Okay. And they need honesty and openness. So please give them the time. They want that from you, please give them. Okay. Now, to be a better husband, make sure to call your wife at least once a day to tell her that you love. Okay. So does your partner do that? You answer in your heart. Don't tell me. Handsome is. Okay. Try leaving her little notes once in a while. Okay, you put under the table and under the pillow anywhere. Then suddenly she say, don't open you put the date 10 years ago. You must trigger sayang got something. Must tell because they do like surprises
Yeah.
Make sure you give your wife at least 2 nice compliments before you take in for the night. This was shared with us by Simon. Simon is actually our course facilitator when we attended this talk before. So we attended before, so he always try to say good words. Before you sleep, always best to discuss something. Okay? And at least once every 2 months, get away with your spouse. Example, watch movie. Or small dating is important. So that's where you can actually lift up the fire between you and your partner. Okay? For a better wife, remember, respect him first and put him first. I know we are getting younger. Sorry. We are getting much younger day by day. Am I right? Yes. So remember, human performance level young time as they grow younger, what happen? So remember, don't criticize them. Sayang them. what you must do, even though whatever happen now, is your hero. So if you will expect to sayang them, okay, they will feel motivated. He will be the hero for you. You want them to be Batman, Superman, they can be the man. Okay, trust him and satisfy his desire for intimacy. I'm blessed I'm doing that. Okay, so to sum up, I show you a quick video. It's a 8 minutes video so that sum up everything with regards to this. Okay, do enjoy them. It means a lot. Okay. I prepare more stuff, but just share with you what I have for this moment on the ground.
Women are from Venus describes insights regarding how effective communication can be created between men and women in a relationship. These insights are especially relevant today in light of the fact
Women, okay, for Danish and Sing, be very careful lah. Women love to use nice daily words. Okay, as for the woman, remember these words can kill men. So first, when they say the word fine, be careful lah. This is the intended meaning ah. This is the word women use to end an argument when they are right and you need to shut up. So remember that ah, men. For women, use these words kind and harsh words. Second, give me 5 minutes. If she's getting dressed, this means half an hour. Okay. Personal experience. When my wife make up, normally what I do, I go out. Why? I want her to do the best, and I don't want to ask her what time. Because it will stress her out. She will stress on me. I will stress on my kids. So always remember lah, wave ah. So one can hurt the other. So men, when they ask for 5 minutes, give them half an hour. Don't pressure her. Okay? So please ah, tell them nicely. Sir, here when I say 5 minutes, this is what I mean. Tell them the emotional behind the thing. When they mention nothing, be very careful. Is the calm before storm. This means usually you should be on the toes. Argument will begin and nothing will usually end in line. Okay? Go ahead. When they mention go ahead, means that you better don't do anything. So that's why I say here, if we have more people, I can share more so that the woman also, oh yeah, I have used these words before, and this is what my husband has interpreted. Because women, when they say something, we men cannot decode very well. Because we are very factual person. Okay. When they mention a lot of meaning. So for Danish, be careful in future. Should your mom do that to you, understand that she actually like you. Okay? But she thinks you are an ahem and wonder why you are waiting her time. So always remember, that's okay is actually not okay. Thanks means there is a sarcasm. So please be truthful to men. Men cannot visualize things under beautiful flowers. So that's why when they never give flowers, because they don't know the meaning of that. Okay? And don't worry about it, I got it. So it's also another meaning. So women, lots of words that they have used to men, and men still up to date don't understand. Even for me and my wife, when she mentioned something, I have to clarify. Seek clarification. Okay? Because once I start to go to my cave, which means I silence myself, it's not because I don't want to continue, because I need to think of a strategy on to overcome that. Okay? So with that, I'd like to thank you so much, and that is what we have presented.
Thank you very much. Okay, I guess we really delayed by 1 hour. Sorry. But I think this is really important because we find that the tea art session is also very important. That's the reason why we actually ask Madam Yu to continue the session even if it's really 4 o'clock. Just continue the session because there are so many things to learn from the tea art itself. Then when they started late already, they really try to rush through lah. But we're thinking that his session also important, so we also need that time for him to ramp up. But I guess in future probably we learn something. There are certain things we can put together.
Yeah, exactly.
We probably do a very informal without presentation. Then probably this session will be good. That means that the tea art, the moment there's a sharing, it's a very informal talk. No such presentation, because yours one is quite heavy duty actually. So I will take note of your style, so that I will know when to put in as well. Otherwise it's a bit tough, not so nice to delay your 1 hour time.
It's okay. At least you got the gist of it. It's okay. Yeah.
Yes. And I really appreciate that two of you are being ever forthcoming and love your home so
Thanks for the opportunity. Yeah.
Anyone have anything to just share with us a little bit?
Yeah.
Actually, what I find very commendable about our parents' support group here, actually it started with a smaller group. Then after that, there's larger interest. So parents even come on board. I think earlier on we don't have so many members in the exco. So now our exco have developed, right? I think increased to larger force of 7, which includes the coordinators also. Yeah. So this is a very heartening sign. Especially parents right now, I think they have a deeper sense of ownership and also belonging. So I think coming to that, I still remember the line there that I also want to learn from the capable parents here, how to be a better parent. In their re-envisioning, right? Yeah, okay. So indeed, I hope there will be more such programs and gatherings around. Yeah, and I really also want to thank all of you, for spending incredible time here, even beyond the program time. Yeah, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Oh,
much.
thank
We
you.
have a photograph with Madam Ong.
Okay, no problem.
This one,
Share off.
auto one.